Peneplug is a fast-setting cementitious compound for stopping active leaks. It also incorporates the Penetron crystalline base material and has the ability to stop water leakage permanently, even under high hydrostatic pressure. Start by thoroughly cleaning the leaking area to be treated. You can use a metal brush or other suitable tool. Remove the remnants of concrete, mortar, and other debris that may be present. If the width or depth of the crack or leaking area is less than 20 millimeters, it should be enlarged up to this size. The best results can be achieved when the internal part of the crack or leaking area is larger than the surface opening, that is, in the form of an inverted cone, as this provides an internal cavity which offers the Peneplug room for expansion and thereby enables Peneplug to resist permanent high water pressure. Mix Peneplug with clean water in a clean plastic container. Pour water onto the Peneplug, not the reverse. The key with Peneplug is to use very little water, just enough to keep the product from falling apart. The Peneplug mixing time should not exceed 2 minutes. Only prepare as much material as can be applied within 3 minutes. When the product develops a putty-like consistency, and after the water is added, immediately knead it into a shape similar to the profile of the cavity to be repaired. Be sure to wear rubber gloves while working with Peneplug, as it is not only highly alkaline, but gets quite hot as well. To stop the active leak, prepare the required amount of the Peneplug mixture. Mold it into the desired shape by hand, and wait until the mixture begins to set. Do not wait too long, as Peneplug will lose its plasticity and could then develop cracks during the application. Force Peneplug into the prepared cavity and compact the material by hand or by using a wooden dowel or other suitable tool you have handy. Then press and hold hard. Depending on the surface temperature, the material should be held pressed in place between 30 and 90 seconds. If you are working in low temperatures, the Peneplug setting will be slower. Once the first wedge is in place and holding, you can apply additional material you have previously prepared until the leak stops. Remove the residual product with a knife or other hard tool as soon as possible after stopping the leak. Note that only about half the cavity is to be filled with Peneplug. The remaining half receives a bond coat of Penetron, then filled up with Penecrete, after which the top surface is finished with a coat of Penetron. If you have further questions, please contact your local Penetron representative. Thank you for your attention.